Let's learn directions in Kiswahili. Twende kazi. So the first one is panda juu, which basically means climb up, like I'm climbing up the stairs. And coming down is shuka chini. And next, if someone gives you directions to turn either left or right, in Kiswahili, right would be kulia and left would be kushoto. So when someone says enda mbele, they mean go straight ahead. And then piga kona means take the turn. Then if they call you back, they say rudi. That means come back. And sit in Swahili is keti. Then stand is simama. Keti, simama. And that's how we learn this beautiful language here on Swahili Vibes. Like and subscribe. Bye.